If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome to Chandra's Light. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how I did my butterfly or distressed faux locks. Right now, I'm just sectioning my hair, trying to get it prepared to do the faux locks. Okay, so one thing that I realized when you are doing this look, to be sure that your parts are very neat, especially if you are doing bigger sections like I did. You just want to make sure it looks nice and neat, because when you do bigger sections, it's bigger parts, and you have less faux locks, it's more noticeable. So to help achieve this like distressed, whatever you want to call it, butterfly look, what I found out is if you kind of like brush out the hair a little bit and make sure you separate it really good, that's going to help you to achieve that look. So I like to twist the hair in the middle so that it can go onto the hook like very nicely. And so all you're going to do is you're going to take the hook, you're going to slide it right above where the rubber band is on your hair, and then you'll take the hair and you'll hook it on the hook, close the latch on the hook, pull it through, and then you'll start wrapping the hair around your braid. Okay, so now that you have the hair through, you're going to take the braid and you're going to pull it through that loop, and then you'll pull the hair, and that's going to make sure that the hair stays secure. And then, like I said before, you're just going to take the hair and start wrapping around. Now, some people, they say in order to achieve the butterfly look, they use their thumb and position it some type of way to have the hair stick out. But what I did, I just kind of held my finger under a little bit, and that seemed to help. Now once you get to the end, you're basically just gonna tie like a knot with the hair, and once you tie it, you'll just kind of pull to secure it, and you're just gonna take the hair and wrap it back up towards the from where you started. So in total, I would say I had between, I think it was like 15 faux locks at the most. But because I did the bigger sections, I knew that it wouldn't take me as long, which I'm all about not taking all day on my hair. So that was the whole point of that. I honestly think this was a easier style for me to do, because my initial plan was to do passion twists, but it just wasn't working out. So faux locks seems to be a better fit for me. So just a quick tip, if you feel like your faux loc is too loose, you can always take some extra hair and just start back at the top and wrap it around until you feel like it's a little bit tighter. Alright y'all, so I just took a little mousse just to help lay my hair down, and then I tied it down, and in just a few moments you're gonna see this final look. Alright y'all, this is the final look. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time.